Good morning, student. Today discuss chapter 7, chapter name logical reasoning. Okay, student. Question number 1. Select the figure from the option which when placed in blank shape of figure X would complete the pattern. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, and which is option is correct? Question number B is correct. Okay, because this is a first box you see, second box, third box or fourth box. So this result is question number B is correct. Okay, student. Next question number discuss question number 2. The position of the first and the last alphabet in the word production are interchanged. Similarly, the position of the second and second least alphabet are interchanged, and so on. Which of the following will be the fourth of the right of the eighth alphabet from the right and after the rearrangement? Okay, student. This is production. What is production? The interchange is fourth. What is one word? ROD. D is a four word. Okay, so answer is number A, D. Okay, number A, D. Answer is correct. Okay, student. Next I discuss question number 3. Kanika Faxen 2-word museum. She makes 3/8 turn in the anti-clockwise direction and then 1/4 turn in clockwise direction. What will be she fraction now? Okay, look at the picture. First you look at the picture. Okay, so clockwise and anti-clockwise. 3/8 you turn anti-clockwise and then 1/4 is clockwise. So the answer is number B, trample. Okay, student. Next I discuss there are is a certain relationship between figure 1 and 2. English, a small relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the option which will replace the question mark in figure. Okay, student. First look at the picture. Question number 4. Okay, first you see this is a number not color, B number color, C number not color, D number color, full color. Okay, so full color is option is A and D. Okay, next you one match is clear. Second match MPVS number 1. Okay, next PSUV. This is a KNTO. Next option are NOKT or WT. What is the correct? NOWT. This is correct. Number D number answer is correct option. Okay, student. The correct answer is D. Okay. Next is 5 number question. Look at the picture. Okay, this is triangle, rectangle. Which answer is A number answer. Okay, because opposite side change, yellow color, this side yellow color, change is left side yellow color, change is right side yellow color. Okay, this is a correct answer. A number answer is correct. Okay, student. Next I discuss question number 6. Which of the following is the correct minor image of figure X in minor of place along MN? Okay, look at the watch. Okay, MN. So this is a 12, 20. Okay, just opposite 8, or opposite 8, so 8, 12, 8 AM or PM, both. So correct answer is B number answer. B number answer is correct. Okay, student. Next question number 7. Look at the picture. This circle, 4 circle, answer is given. So answer, this is a yellow side, left side, and change in right side. So this side is correct. B number answer is correct. Okay, student. Next question number 8. In a birthday party, 7 friends Okay, student. Next, I discuss question number 8. In a birthday party, 7 friends meet. Each friend hand with each other actually once. How many hand cells are there? Okay, question number 8. First you 7 friends. Okay, so first you add 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and both number is add. All number is add. Okay, so answer is 21. Result is 21. So correct answer is 21. B number answer is correct. Okay, student. Next question number 9. Which of the following figure will complete the given problem figure? Okay, look at the picture. Problem figure. The pattern repeated after every 4 figure. Okay, pattern change after 4 figure. So answer is 9C. 9C. Okay, 1 2 same figure, 3 4 same figure, 4 and 5 same figure, 6 7 same figure. So the right answer is option C is correct answer. Okay, student. Next I discuss question number 10. Okay, question number 10. Select the correct match. Okay, first you see the figure, number of the line symmetrically. Okay, first you see which is the figure match. This is a 4 2 triangle, 2 circle. Number B answer is correct. This is a number B answer is correct. Okay, student. Next, number 11. Which of the following option is not actually embedded in the figure X as one of the part. Okay. Question number A, just join this part and complete the figure. Okay, number A is correct answer. Okay student, next question number 12, select the a number from the option which will replace the question mark if same rule is followed in all the three figures. Okay, just first student, just multiply 3 into 8 is equal to 24, 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Okay, 5 into 9 is equal to 45, 3 into 15 is equal to 45. So 2 into 14 is equal to 28. One number 7. So 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So answer option are A number is correct. A number correct answer. 4 is a correct answer. Okay student. Next question number 13. How many circles are there in the given figure? Look at the picture and search how many circle figure. Okay. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 15 circle. So answer is a C number answer 15. Clear? Next I discuss question number 14. Arrange the following word according to dictionary and select the correct option. Okay, 14 number, particular, practice, praise, thank, prayer. So question number D is correct answer. Okay student. Next I discuss question number 15. How many line of sympathetic does the given figure have? Okay. So how many line you see? Any line? No any line. So answer is number A 0. Okay. Next question number 16. Some letters are given which are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing combination of this number. Find the combination of the number so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. Okay, 16 number. Arrange the word. Word is nature. Number option is C number is correct answer. C number 4, 2, 3, 1, 6, 5. Okay, first 4. 4 is L, 2 is A, 3 is T, U is 1, R is 6, E is 5. So nature is a correct answer. C number answer is a correct answer. Okay. Next question number 17. Gaurav birthday fell just after 4th Tuesday of September 2000. The date on the which of the Gaurav celebrate the birthday is dash. Look at the picture in calendar. Okay, calendar C. So answer is A number answer 23rd September. 23rd September. Okay student. Next question number 18. Select the odd one out. The odd number. Okay. 18 number A I H Q. Q is a odd number. Question number B. Select the odd number, one odd number. Okay. Okay, complete 18 number. Next I discuss question number 19. If earth is select my sky, sky is called water, water is called light, and light is called air. Then if someone is thirsty, what the he drink? So answer is number A, light. Number A, light. Okay, student. Next question, question number 20. If plan is written as at the rate, this is question mark, and ankle is written this, then the plank is written. B number answer is correct. Okay, student. Next, which of the following is the heaviest? Okay, this is a first, this is a 9 kg, 9 kg, 6 kg, 5 kg. So the number, which is this is a number C answer is correct answer, number C. The cat is a biggest, okay, heaviest weight. Okay, student. Next I discuss question number 22. The vanilla cake is larger than the coconut cake. The chocolate cake is larger than the vanilla cake, but smaller than the mango cake. Which of the following is correct order of cake from the largest to the smallest? Okay, largest to the smallest. So first, smallest is just like a descending order. Largest is the smallest, so is the descending order. The first option are the correct answer is D number, mango, chocolate, vanilla or coconut. Number D number is correct answer. So take the correct answer, D number answer. Okay, student, D number is the correct answer. Mango, chocolate, vanilla or coconut. Okay, the correct answer is D. Next I discuss question number 23. In which of the following option figure X actually assembled as one of the put part? First you look at the picture 23. 23 option are the same is number D. D option is correct. Okay, because this is the same pattern, so D is the correct answer. Next, and question number 24. Look at the picture figure X. Okay, some as matching is some are matching as C number answer. C is a some matching. Okay, so next 25. Which of the following number will continue the given series? First 45, 42, 45, 50, 53, 58, 61. So next number is A number 66. Because 5 number add. Okay, this is a first defines 45 minus 42 is equal to 3, 53 minus 50 is equal to 3, 61 and 58 is equal to 3. So Next 61 to 66. The answer is correct. Next answer, next question number 26. If the day before yesterday and Thursday, then what day will be the day after tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow is correct answer is Monday. Yesterday was Thursday, so after tomorrow is Monday. The correct answer. Okay. Next 27. In a play competition, there are five finalists. This name here. Question is dash and dash stood the first and last position respectively. Okay. So 27. Answer is question number B. Okay. Mini and Anaya, answer is correct. Okay. Next question number 28. How many triangles are there in given figure? Look at the picture and count the triangle. Okay. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 figure is there. So answer is correct answer is 12. C number answer is correct. Okay student. 12 number answer is correct. Next question number 29. 29. Ritvik walk tomorrow south. After traveling some distance, he take a left turn and again after traveling some distance, he take a right turn. In which distance will be facing now? Okay. So answer is D number answer south. South number answer is correct. Next question number 30. How many possible communication of one cell phone and one caller is possible to from the given call phone and caller? Some name is there. Call phone Samsung, LG, Nokia, Apple, Sony. Color is black, white, grey, blue. So answer is question number B. B is correct answer. Okay. B is correct answer. Complete. Okay. So student, time is over. Goodbye.